Hey, welcome back guys, and welcome if you are new. In today's video we are going to be installing some sequential smoked out side blinkers, turn signals in my 2022 Corolla Hatchback. This is the old, kind of shiny. This is the new. So it looks like it's all plug and play. This is a little tricky of an install. I've already done the driver's side, so I'm going to show you guys hopefully on the passenger side. This is kind of what the blinker looks like before. Alright, so onto the passenger side. I will not lie, the driver's side was a little tricky, to say the least. So with this mirror, the mirror actually has to come off. So there's 4 clips that hold the mirror on. And then right in this corner, there's a little plug-in with your wire. So careful popping that out, but hopefully you got hands to where you can at least start on one side and get your hand in, because you need to pop that and release those 4 clips that are holding the mirror. 1, 2, work our way to the bottom. And those 2 come off. So with this plug, let's see if I can show you. So there's a little spot that's holding that on. All right. So take note that the green wire is on top and your black wire is on the bottom. So with this plug, there's no spots to push in, nothing to squeeze to release it. Just get a little screwdriver or pick tool, and you're gonna have to pry it up from the bottom up, because there's just 2 little prongs here and here that are kind of holding that in. So there's your clips, your 4 spots that hold in your mirror. So we'll kind of set that aside. The next spot here, I'm gonna try to move this off and show you if I can. But you actually have clipped, let me see if I can get it. You have a clip up here Let's see where else. Clip here to release. Clip up here to release. And you also have clip here and down below. Clip here, clip here. So what happened on my driver's side is when I released, big clip here, put a little screwdriver here, put a screwdriver in here, the whole top popped right off and actually took the bottom off with it. No clips broke, no nothing broke. So it was actually one piece. Not sure if that's gonna happen again on this side. I kind of threw a little rug here on my car just to kind of protect it. If you have an extra body with you that can hold these two screwdrivers that I'm gonna pop in here, and then I'm gonna use my little pry tool to move this one, and at the same time I'm gonna pull this top piece off. So, all right, so there's my setup. Hopefully this goes as smooth as the other side did. Make sure you guys can still see that. And that's number one. I'm guessing the sound of those two hitting the floor is telling me that these two top clips released. So I'm gonna keep a couple pry tools in here just so I don't lose these spots. And kind of take a look and reevaluate what I've got going on in here. Alright, so unlike the driver's side, passenger side's being a little more stubborn. So the two bottom clips did not release. So once again, got my screwdrivers kind of just stuck in there. Like I said, if you have an extra body that can hold these, it'd probably be a lot easier than what I'm doing. I still don't want to release. So, I'm going to take another look at this. Alright, I think I figured it out. There was a clip right in here that wasn't releasing. And that's what it was. So, same like before, my whole assembly came out. Top piece and bottom piece. So you're going to want to release this from the top piece because you're going to want to put this on first and then pop your top lid on second. So this is going to be your bottom. All right. So tough part's over. Come around this way. So the only thing really holding this on is there's a little pin here that it just sets in. So release there. Let me set this camera down so I can kind of show you, because you're going to want to push in here and pull out to release that one. All right, so like I said, you're going to want to push on that, release it. So push, pull up. New one is also plug and play. No wrong way to do it. You've got your little tab here and here. Snaps into place. I'll turn my hazards on just so we can see. Yeah, it's working. I think in the last one I just kind of ran that in that little hole that's like there's a void here somewhere. Oh, right there. Tab. Like I said, it's not really, those tabs aren't meant to like hold it in there. It's just to kind of hold it in place until that bottom piece comes back on. So this is the side that was kind of giving me fits last time. This big hole here, it's gonna line up with that hole there. So this is where you want to kind of watch where your wires are running, because naturally you don't want to get anything pinched. I will say this side went way better than the last side. All right, so now that that's in, put top back in. Just like so. Now I'm going to come around. Let's see if we can get this mirror back in here. Alright, first we want to get this little wire back on. And this, believe it or not, is a lot trickier than what you would think. Make sure that's on nice and tight. And eyeball in that first tab. Like so. And that's all that's to it. I say that's all that's to it, but not a bad mod, but not one of the easiest ones I've done. So I got her all cleaned up. I'm gonna do a little after shot and I'm gonna show you what the difference looks like. I don't know about you, but I think the look alone is like so worth it. I mean, the smoked compared to the chrome. I mean, if you like chrome, great, but I'm not a chrome fan, so. Street marks, what they look like. Well, there you have it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.